Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a daily check on the Sibata fit test machine. I have the software here. This is the interface. So first thing I'll connect and actually I'm connected to this. Let me disconnect and I'll show you. Okay, so what I'm looking for here, you'll see different COM ports, but I want the one that says MTC05. So I click that, hit connect. See the serial number come in. I could have up to four Sabatas connected if I wanted to. I'll hit OK. Let's go to, I mean, I could go to a fit test, but usually we start with a daily check. I have the computer hooked up to the Sibata with the USB cable, and I have a humidifier running because I have the minimum particle check for N95 mode. The minimum particle count has to be 500 or higher, so that's the particles in the air. If you're doing anything but N95s like half face, full face, or SCBAs, that type of thing, you could go down to 5,000. So that's the minimum particle count in the air. But I'm going to again go with N95s as if we're doing N95 testing. So I'll hit start. And I've removed the HEPA filter. It actually says on the screen to remove the HEPA filter. And I've got a pass, so I've got more than enough particles. I've got over 4,000 particles you can see there. So the next step is to actually connect the HEPA filter. It says attach the zero filter to the mask inlet, which is the clear part of the tube. There's a bluish green tube and a like a twin tube with bluish green and also clear. Connect this to the clear. You hit start again. Now it should, because the zero filter is connected, this should be close to zero. This just makes sure your machine is working correctly and that there's no leaks in the tube or anywhere inside the machine. So it's checking the zero now. Sometimes the zero filters, if they, fall on the floor occasionally or get stepped on, they could get cracked. Okay, so there was zero, and now it's just doing the checking the max fit factor, making sure everything's ready to start fit testing. Oops. Just takes a while to go through this. Now, if you didn't have enough particles, you would have to put a salt tablet in the water in the humidifier, run it longer. You may have to turn off the ventilation or move to a smaller room. You need those particles in the room because we're looking at this. The fit test machine is checking the particles outside the mask and inside the mask. So outside around the person, you need to have lots of particles, over 500 at least for N95s. And with the HEPA filter you connected to the sample at this point, we would expect zero. And that's how you get your measurement of inside and outside of the mask. So on the machine, and it actually here says check passed, and on the machine it says check passed as well. So now we're ready to start doing fit testing.